Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to get the voice chat on Roblox. Do a easy process and get the voice chat now. To do this, first open your Roblox and tap on three-dot icon in the corner. And then tap on settings, tap on account info, scroll down and verify your age with your ID. After verify your age with your ID, go back and tap on privacy and content restrictions. Tap on communication and tap on experience chat and turn this option on. And go back and now tap on voice data uses and enable this option. And now go back and play any game. Now you will find the voice chat option here. Tap on microphone icon. Now start a voice chat with your friends and enjoy the game. Thank you.